Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Welcome back. Good morning, good morning, good morning, my bro. Let's see. I made these a little bit bigger now, so hopefully you guys can see it a lot better without squinting. Um, Good morning, Vlad. Good morning. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for watching Trading with David 305. Uh, let's see what's going on. Looks like major chop, but kind of like pulling back here from this uptrend. Like a little pullback. Well, pretty big pullback. Let's see what happens if it sweeps these lows here when the market opens, or it bounces. If it could get above VWAP, might look for longs again. But if it closes down here, breaks the super trend on the 1 hour, might want to look for shorts. I mean, shorts, as long as we're under VWAP, want to be looking for shorts. Any news today? Yes. 8:30 there was news, and it was unemployment claims. Positive because they expected more and it was less. So less claims. Okay. But it still went down. So no other news today. That's good for us. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching me trade the NASDAQ. We are on a 6-week weekly winning streak and on a 3-day or more, maybe more wins. I don't even know, but at least I know I haven't lost since Monday. I think Friday I won too, but I don't even remember anymore. Okay, roll the footage. Roll the footage. The last time I lost was sometime last week, like a trade. But we end up green every week. ATR pre-market is 32. So it's another freaking volatile ass day. Man, every day has been fucking ATR 50, ATR 60. Really, really freaking difficult this whole week, to be honest. Let's see. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna do the eval because we need to get this shit done with. This is where we're at so far for the week. So 1700 and 1760 or something, if you add that up. This was just me messing around yesterday. I was testing out the big numbers. That's all. Just playing around and make $4,000. Oh my god. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna mark out the levels, and let me see. Those levels are obviously taken, so I'm just gonna move this one here. This is the London low. That's 24,972.50. London low. What else we got? That's the London low. Okay. I'm gonna mark the Asia high. Well, let's put the London high. Sorry. All right, London high is 25,205.75. And let's see what else we got. Yesterday, we obviously took a long. I took 2 trades yesterday. One long early and then another long when it broke out. They both played out beautifully. And as you can see, this thing went straight to the moon. You can see I took the long here and closed out here. And it kept going a little bit more. Came back down. Equal high. Came back down. And then went up a little higher. Grinded all the way up. Good thing I got out there. Let's see. Let's see which way the market wants to go. It looks like it's about to tap EMA 50 and EMA 200 on the 1 hour. All right, so we set the London low. We set the London high. And I'm going to set the Asia high since it is above London. Is it like right here? All right, and that's at 25,243.50. That is the Asia high. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Don't forget to do that. That helps me grow the channel. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We still have time until the New York Open at 9:30. And then from there, we're going to wait another 15 minutes to set our opening range. Yeah, let's see. ES. Yeah, everything is pretty much going down right now. Everything is dumping. Dump. Let me show you guys S&P 500. This is the S&P 500 on the 5-minute time frame. This is ES. Also in a downtrend. Let's go back to NQ. Downtrend. So very similar. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning. Let's see if we can catch another banger today. It's gonna be tough. It's been tough this whole week, to be honest. ATR is at 32. So again with the BS. When the New York Stock Exchange opens, it's probably gonna jump to 50 again. So size down. Yeah, it's looking like 100-point stop loss again to survive the swings, because if not, you're gonna get ripped. So let's see. You already know the drill. If you hear this,
Green Giant,
it's obviously gonna be pumping. And if you hear this one,
tactical nuke incoming!
It's obviously going down. That's two very distinct special effects that you'll hear on my on my live stream. You already know. We'll see what happens today. We got about 19 minutes till the market opens. Athena, es una mierda, people. That's just something to sell you, to make you more, to make him more money. Athena, ni Athena. No jodas. Athena. That's hilarious. I'd rather trade with ChatGPT before I trade with that shit. Oh man. Yeah. That guy, yeah. I don't know if he knows how to trade or not. He's obviously a swing trader, and he does the whole head and shoulders pattern, but most of his money now, or I'm pretty sure, comes from the broker that he's part owner of. He has a lot of software companies like this one. But yeah, 1,500. That's crazy, bro. If he gets 1,500 for that program, I think he has, I don't know how many students or retards that follow him. Yeah, he just made another 15 million, probably. I don't know. The guy's hustling, bro. I gave him that shit. He's definitely hustling. I just, I don't know. I don't know. Whatever, man. I can't say much because he lives in my city, bro. I might run up on him one day, you know. We're like, there's this guy. There's this guy. The famous trader. A trader that doesn't trade, really. Maybe he does trade. I don't know. I really don't care, though. It's funny, a lot of these good traders, not just the influencer ones, but a lot of them do live in Miami. Like Patrick Whelan, he lives in Broward. That's like Fort Lauderdale area. D Money, um, Big Daddy Max lives in Broward. These are all really good traders, like real traders. Those are some traders I do respect. So. Let's see. All right, guys, we got 15 more minutes till the market opens. Good morning. Good morning, Sound Engineering. Good morning. Hope you guys are ready. 15 minutes. There is no news today. In case you're jumping on now, there was news at 8:30, so that's passed. Came in positive. All this other yellow folder news is not going to move the market. So tomorrow, as you can see, lots of red folders. Lots of red folders tomorrow. 8:30. That should be interesting. But when we trade, there shouldn't be any. The movement should be done already. Let's see. Thank you guys for jumping on and watching Trading with David. Make sure you hit the like button so I can keep growing the channel. I appreciate it. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Come on. I promise you'll learn something. I promise you guys will learn something. Something new. If you have any questions, you can always ask. Always ask in the chat, and I will answer them as best as I can. Let's see. Yeah, it's been kind of choppy, to be honest. If you look at the 1 hour here, very choppy. And on the 4 hour, very wicky. There's a wick. It's like wicked up, wicked down. So it's like very wicky. Yeah. It isn't an uptrend. This looks like a pullback right now. It's coming down to retest maybe the EMAs, unless it closes like down here. And then maybe it wants to go all the way back down. We're gonna have to wait and see, guys. Or it might just bounce off the pivot, bounce off the EMA 50, bounce off EMA 200, and start ripping up to fill this imbalance here. You know, we just gotta wait and see, and then we react to what we're looking at, guys. But I mean, again, we'll see what happens. Gotta stay patient. Looks like it just swept the low or created a new low. Swept the swing low here. There's the pivot. Swing low was swept before market open. Let's see. Interesting. ATR is at 31 pre-market. That is very high. That's what normally New York Open is. So that means New York Open is probably going to jump to 48 again. So risk down, guys, if you do trade. Risk down. I'm probably just doing the eval again. I need to pass this. I mean, I passed the eval. I just need to get the consistency down to at least 50%. I think I'm like at 60 something. So I just got to keep hitting little base hits here. Because the target, I ripped the target. The target was 3,000. I have like, how much? Over 10,000. Destroyed that shit. Then I forgot there's an eval. There's a consistency rule on the eval. The good thing is when it becomes funded, there's no consistency rule. So hold on to your horses, because I'm gonna go ham. I'm gonna go ham on that account. Is no more guardrails on that funded account. What the hell am I doing? Okay. Yeah, I'm up 14,000 on the damn account. Insane. I'm blowing this damn eval up, bro. The 10,000 was by mistake. Remember, guys? I made the 60,000. I didn't mean to do that. What are you gonna do? Oh man. All right. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay patient, guys. Make sure you get your coffee, your energy drink, whatever you drink. Get ready. 9:30, New York Open. All right. We can switch this up. Let's see. Good morning. Buckaroo. All right, let's see. Yes, yes. Make sure you get that coffee in there. Let's go. All right. Y'all know the drill. We're going to set that 15-minute orb and wait for a breakout. ATR is at 31, so we're going to risk down today. I'm probably going to just do 5 again. Here we are. 5 on the eval. That's all I'm trading. The eval, just because market's crazy, man. I don't want to mess up my funded accounts. It's just the conditions are very volatile. Very volatile. These movements on these candles are ridiculous. Make sure you hit that like button, guys, if you are tuning in. Please hit that like button for me on the video. It grows the channel. Appreciate it. All right. Looks like it's reacting to that swing low and EMA 50 here. It's kind of waking up. To that swing low right here. We got EMA 200 and EMA 50, and then we also have the pivot point. The swing low, it filled that imbalance. It's small, but it filled it. This is the 1 hour time frame, guys. This is the 5 minute, in case you're wondering. Let's see what it does. Market opens in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Gotta stay patient. Stay patient. I know. Sometimes trading isn't as exciting, but you know, you just gotta wait there and
I got this.
And then go in. That's how it is. All right, 5 more minutes, guys. There it is, my timer. We have the daily high here. So definitely a swing high and a daily high. If it gets above these EMAs, if it gets above these EMAs and above VWAP, that will be the target right up here, guys. That is a area of interest for the market to go to. Lots of sellers up here, usually. Oh, man. All right, we're getting obviously a reaction off the EMA 50. Big push up. Let's see if it rips and erases this. It filled the gap it wanted. The next gap is way down here. I don't know if it wants to go down there. But if it rips through this, where is this at? Let's see. 25.075. 25.075 is right here. So if it gets above, yeah, 25.075 right here. I'm gonna put a line there. If it gets above that, I'm thinking it wants to go long. And I'm putting that because that is the beginning of come on, can we get this straight? Or am I like cross-eyed right now? Okay. Anyways, yeah, I think that's straight. I'm putting that line there. That is this right here. That is the imbalance on the 1 hour time frame. The beginning of that imbalance, pretty much. So if it gets above this, start looking for longs. So I just made that line there at 25.025. I'm sorry, it's 25.075. All right, market opens in 1 minute and 39 seconds. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, I guess the Bears are in control. Let's see. Yeah, the Bears are in control right now. It keeps trying to pop up, but it just too much selling pressure. A lot of selling pressure. For me to look for longs, I already said it has to get above this. So if it doesn't get above this, guys, it is a downtrend. It is a downtrend. Super choppy here, but it is a downtrend. It's just tricky because we're going straight into an EMA 50 and an EMA 200. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, market opens. All right, here we go. Here we go. That is the bell. Okay, that shit is ripping straight to my little, straight to the line I was about to say. I was like, yo, this shit gets up here and closes? That'd be some crazy shit. So this was the London low that I marked out. It obviously made a lower sweep there, and it's now ripping up. Again, if it gets up here and closes, shit, I'll take a premature long. But we still got 4 minutes. Relax. Market's just opened. ATR is gonna jump from 32 probably to like 49 again. Let's see what happens, guys. Stay patient.
giant. Green giant.
Yeah, that thing is ripping, man. That thing is ripping. I don't know. If it goes all the way up here and closes, I'll take a long 5 micros. I know, I'm not waiting for the breakout, but that'd be a lot of freaking momentum, man. That would be a lot of damn momentum. It just inverts this gap. That means it wants to inverse a 1 hour. And it might want to head for the daily high up here. The previous day high. And the swing high. And the London high. So, but I need to see it close up here. See that reaction right there? Not good. I need it closing up here to go long. That means it erased all of this shit. Understand? Under strength, that's a lot of strength. It erased this shit. Now, if it closes up here and then comes all the way down again, bro, it is what it is. You know what I mean? Like, it's a chance you got to be willing to take. But there it goes. It hit the freaking line that I marked. This is crazy. This is a rip. This is a rip if I've ever seen one. Wow. 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 There it goes. Holy shit, man. All right. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I mean, the ATR is going to jump, so get ready to put a 100-point stop loss. If you do take this trade, size down, guys. Size down. This move right here is probably 100 points. So I need to see a strong close up here above VWAP because VWAP could push it down. This is a very, very risky trade. Very risky. I'll wait for the orb after this one too, though. So don't worry. I'll take another trade if this one doesn't work out. But this shit looks very bullish. Hopefully it doesn't get rejected here.
Order filled.
All right. Getting crazy. I'm gonna put it right there. If it comes all the way back down, then yeah, I don't want to be in that. And we're gonna put this at the swing high. Yeah, I think that's a fair bet. Oh shit. All right, let's see what happens. Risking 1,000 to make 1,000. Hey, there we go. Risking it for the biscuit. Come on, get up there. I know I'm asking for a lot. I know. I didn't wait for the orb, guys. I marked this out and it kind of did exactly what I wanted it to do. So I gotta follow what I plan in my head, you know what I mean? Let's see. It might be wrong, but you guys could close it whenever you guys want. You know, you don't have to see the whole thing through. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, not good. On ES, it just tapped VWAP. So I just took a long while it tapped VWAP on ES. That's dangerous. But let's see. It's working out in my favor. It is working out. It broke super trend. It broke all the EMAs to the upside. I mean, it's a massive
Green giant. Green giant. Green giant. Green giant.
There we go. There we go, guys. Y'all can close it if you want. Let's see. That's where I'm at right now. You know, ATR is at 37. ATR is at 37, guys. Let's see if I could get something out of this early trade here. I know. I'm asking for a lot. It's a tricky spot just because it just tapped VWAP for the first time in a while. But if you look at the 1 hour here, I mean, it's tapping VWAP. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Y'all had many opportunities to exit, but if you want to hang in there, I mean, you gotta have a big stop loss. Okay. All right, let's go. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn, David. That boy good.
Green Giant.
Let's go. Let's go. 300. Come on, let's get to 1,000. Auto trail probably kick in at 400. Ah, don't do that. There might be some resistance right around here because there's 2 swing highs right here. Yeah. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh man. Not good. All right. Now we're gonna go through the drawdown stage. Let's see. Yeah, if it erases that whole move up, yo, I'm cooked. Let's hope it doesn't. Let's hope it doesn't. That closed as a doji. Complete indecision. That's not good. Let's see what happens here. That's not good. Let's see what happens. Come on. Get up there. I'm playing. ES is dumping. It literally just tapped VWAP and is going down. So it looks like NQ is kind of following it. Let's go. Let's get a flip to the upside. Come on. Yeah, it's getting pushed. Oh, man. Damn. Damn. It's getting pushed hard. Come on, EMA 50. Help me out here. Oh, no. Okay. Let's see what happens. You gotta hang on during this drawdown, man. It's not easy. It's not easy. Yeah, like I've said before, the only thing you can control is the risk on the table, guys. You can't control the trade. You just gotta take the best possible trade you think. That's it. Look, we're back in the green. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, to the moon, baby. To the moon. Let's go. Don't chop around here, man. Stop chopping. Why did I take a long? Closed above all the EMAs. Massive push. I kind of marked this level out. And there's a green candle here on the 1 hour. So it kind of showed me it wants to go up very, very bullish. That's why I took the long. ATR is at 39. Even though I put a 100-point stop loss, give it enough wiggle room to play out. You know, that's it. But you got to be patient. Made 106. Let's go, buddy. You took a long or a short? Sound engineering? Hey, green is green, bro. That's awesome. Yeah, it's kind of like in a little Goldilocks zone right now. It's tapping VWAP, as you can see on the 1 hour, which is this purple line. Let's see if you can see it better. It's tapping here and it keeps getting pushed. If it could break and close in 16 minutes above this, we're in good shape. Hopefully it doesn't chop down, you know what I mean? Like it finally starts delivering. That'd be great. All right, good stuff, good stuff. I'm glad, man. All right, I'm still gonna wait for the breakout. This candle will close and create the orb. I still could lose the trade. Even though I was up, I could still lose the trade, guys. And it looks like it's not looking good for me. That was a risky trade, you know. I probably should have closed it out when I was up a few hundred, but I like to let it play out. Let's see, did it, I'm gonna set the orb since it's about to be formed. Rectangle. All right, orb is set. That is the orb. Not looking good for me there. Let's see. Not looking good. If this thing completely rejects to the downside, I'm cooked. Let's see. Yeah, ATR is 39, guys. Big swings, big swings. I'm setting the orb on these other screens here. All right. Hang on for dear life. I might get cooked. Let's see. Hopefully it rips. Hopefully it doesn't get down there. If it does, oh no. Yes, stop playing games. Yes, yes, it's not looking pretty. Let's see. Let's see. Let's get above VWAP again, please. Let's get above VWAP. If not, I'm cooked. Deep fried cooked. Yeah, it was a massive wick down from VWAP. But I think it likes it up there. I don't know. It's just my guess. There it goes. Come on. Flip. Flip and pop. Flip and pop. Flip and pop. Let's go. Whoa. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If it breaks out of orb again, guys, I'll add to the position. Like if I'm taking another trade, okay? Because that'll give me confidence that it wants to go to the upside, you know. But it has to break out of orb, and I'll add 5 more. All right. Let's see. There we go. Let's go, baby. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Right back to the entry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The big switcheroonie. Yes, sir. Let's go. Don't chop around, please, NASDAQ. Get up there. Get up there. Let's go. Let's go. Green giant. Green giant.
Green giant. Green giant. Green giant. Green giant.
That's a green giant. That is a green giant right there. That candle is very, very bullish. That is a 164 point green candle. Just so you know. It could chop around here, guys. It could have a hard time. Oh, it could have a hard time here. So let's see. If it breaks out of the orb, I'll add 5 more. It'll mess up my entry, but it's a good chance it wants to continue going to the upside. What do we got left? 1 minute. 1 minute till this candle closes. Let's see. I want to see ES break out at the same time, man. That'd be great. If I could get ES to break out, shit. That'd be phenomenal. There we go. Okay. It broke out, tapped out. Come on, baby. I know you want to get up there. I know you want to get up there. This closes in 10 minutes up here. Let's go. It's running out of juice. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a hammer. If this shit comes all the way down and turns red, we are cooked. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Push, 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 push before it closes. All right. Let's see. No, no, don't be. Oh my God. Fucking chop fest right there. Let's go. Get your ass up there, man. It's in a really tricky spot on ES, man. It could go either way. Only way to really know would be order flow right now. See where the damn orders are. But it's in a kind of a tricky spot. Let's see. If it breaks out, man, I'm taking another long. I just want to see it break out on freaking ES too. If it could break out of the orb on ES and on NQ, we'll add 5. If it only breaks out on 1, I'm just gonna leave it as is. I don't want to add to the position if I'm not very confident, or not more confident. I am confident it's going up, but whoa, okay. Let's go.
Green giant. Green giant.
All right, so we can't lose. If it knocks me out of the trade, then at least we made $100. Let's go. Let's go. We're in the green. We're in profit now. Okay. Is it gonna break out on ES or not? Damn, bro. That boy good.
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Oh my God. It's gonna come down and stop me out. It's super wicky, man. Look at these wicks. Wick, wick, wick. If it comes down, stops me out, and then rips, it's super annoying. But then again, ATR is at 44, and my stop is really tight. My stop is not giving it any wiggle room. And there is VWAP is right on top of freaking ES, so it's pushing it down. If it breaks through it, it's a good chance it keeps going up. It's having a hard time to break through VWAP on ES right now. 1 hour candle will be opening a few minutes. Yeah. 7 minutes. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna stop me out.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Look at these wicks, man. It's just super fucking wicky. All right, so we got 165, guys. 165. I'm gonna wait for a breakout. All right. 616. I'm out. Oh. People are making money, man. You guys are making more than me on my own trades. Hey, man, I'm happy, buddy. I'm happy you win. If you guys win, I'm winning. So I appreciate you trusting my trades. Which again, it's not financial advice, all right? So, but yeah, this thing needs to break out on both so I could feel more confident about a long here. Let's go, WW. Ah, man, it's super choppy, super choppy. Let's see. Yeah, I really wanted to break out of freaking orb on ES, and I'm not seeing that shit. But we're gonna take it. I know it's super choppy, but we're gonna take the long on this breakout, okay, guys?
Order filled.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna put this 100 points down here, and let's go. This shit better rip. Stop playing around. Let's do. I know. Now I'm asking for a lot. Asia high. I put this under the low here, so now it's doing the retest. Like, yo, David keeps taking 2 trades every day. This is some crazy shit David's doing. It's an eval, guys. It's an eval. I can get a little risky with it. Let's see what happens. All right, it did a retest of the top of the orb. It's in a tricky spot on ES. It didn't break out of the orb on ES. I really want to see a big push. If not, it's gonna do a freaking pullback. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's get up there. Let's let it ride. I do have an auto trail, as you guys know, at 40 points in profit. It auto trails. Let's go. Let's go. I hope you guys could see now where my TP is, 25252, and take stop loss 25030. So here we go. Let's go, baby. Pump it. Get out of orb on ES, please. There we go. There we go. Yeah, you definitely should be done for the day, brother. $686. in what, 10 minutes? Yeah. Go work out, go take a nap, go do whatever you want. No more trading for you. You're done. Turn the computer off. See you tomorrow at 9. And we're going to protect those profits tomorrow. We're not going to go crazy. Okay? All right, man. Have a good one. Make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already. Appreciate you for tuning in. All right. I'm making a little more money because I got to catch up to you, bro. 686. I got to catch up, man. Let my students out here now. Hey. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm glad when you guys make more than me. That's awesome. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Get to that daily high up there. Look at this freaking massive green giant, bro. Look at this shit. This shit's off the screen. Off the screen. Y'all can close it whenever you guys want. It might not get up here just yet. But whatever. If it comes all the way down and stops me out, bro, like, fuck this. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Come on, break out. Break to the upside. I know, I'm asking for a lot. It shit has been pushing. It has been pushing since down here, and I'm asking for more. Crazy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Can you take me higher? Daily high is right here, guys. There's another swing high right here. That's this one. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Are you guys in this long? I took 2 longs. 2 longs. 2 opportunities. Just saying. I'm already in profit. $67. So $100. Okay, that's the new 1 hour candle, guys. So, all right, in 192. Getting tighter. Getting tighter here. Let's see what happens. All right, 212. I keep trailing it. I'm trailing it. Let's go. Of course you're in profit. If you're following me, you should be in profit, bro. All right. I might want to close. I'm going to close like 3. Sell 3.
Order submitted.
I want to close 3 there, man.
Order filled.
All right. We close 3 out up here. If it wants to close that and stop me out, I'm good. It did tap the swing high on Asia. Okay, guys? Let's go. All right. It might stop me out. It might rip. I don't know. But either way, we are super green. We are super green. Let's see. I got 2 runners. We got 2 runners here. Let's see. Not making the same mistake as yesterday. No, sir. You better trail. That's protect those profits. You got to protect the profits. Yeah, it might take me out here, guys, and I'm okay because now we made again. We're at 6 something already. Like, yo, this guy doesn't miss, bro. This guy's every single day. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, put me in a tournament, man. Put me in a tournament versus all these influencers. Let's go, bro. I will whoop all of them right now. Oh, man. Make sure you guys hit the like button. I know you guys might have already, but if you haven't, hit the like button, guys. Took 2 trades. Took the long on the green giant, closed above EMAs, got a little draw down there, ended up ripping. Okay, I think it stopped me in profit, right? Then I waited for the break of the orb, took the long again. Here we are. Here we are, guys. Guys, you know, I've been telling you, bro, I'm him. I'm him. You have to understand market structure. You have to do what the market shows you, man. Stop going off all the noise you hear. Do what the market shows you. Sometimes I could be wrong. I'm not saying I'm perfect. You know, it easily could have came down here and then popped up. But I knew that I had some protection from VWAP, EMA 50, EMA 200, EMA 21. And I had this huge imbalance of fair value gap.
Stop filled.
All right, took me out. What do we finish? 638. I'm good with that, guys. I'm good with that. I don't know if you guys are in or out, but I'm good with 638 for the day. I don't know what else you guys want from me, man. Y'all have any questions? Something you guys don't understand? You gotta let me know. But I think I know people think this is difficult, but it's really not that difficult, man. Sometimes it is difficult, and it is difficult today, don't get me wrong. The ATR is $47. I'm at 47 points. So that's a lot of volatility. These candles are massive. It's very difficult to manage drawdown. But like I said, when you see it at this high ATR, setting a stop loss of 100 points is the only way to handle this kind of drawdown, this kind of swings, you know? Yeah, it might be doing its pullback now because it did tap the Asia high, which I marked. This blue line is Asia high. It tapped it. It might do a little pullback, or it might just bounce here and then get the previous day high, which is this dotted line. Okay, the dotted line here is the previous day high. Usually that's a magnet for price. It is bouncing currently off the VWAP on ES, so hopefully it keeps going up, but no guarantees, obviously. NinjaTrader takes, depending on what plan you pay for, I think it's like 35 cents plus $1.50 or something like that per trade. I think that's their free plan, and then if you pay, they take a little less. So yeah, you're still in the trade. All right. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It could go up. It could do a what's it called, a pullback. But yeah. Regardless, how'd I end the day? 638. I'm pretty good with that. Yesterday was what, 720? Yeah. 720, 638. First trade was like $100. Stopped me in profit. Could have made more, sure, but I wanted to let it play out. But it did all this wick action here. Wick. It went up here. This candle moved a lot until it finally ripped. Then I took the trade on that too. So bounced off VWAP easily, and a breakout. Like, that's an easy long, man. That's why I took it. Bounce off VWAP, straight breakout. That's a long, baby. And I took profit right here. Nothing to hide, guys. I'm fully transparent. As you can see, we are up for the week. It is Thursday. 2,148 on this account and 252 on the funded account. Let's see if my freaking consistency gets down to 50. I don't think this will do it. Maybe tomorrow or next week, and I'll probably be under 50, and then it'll be funded finally. If you had to buy stock for a long-term investment, what would you buy? An ETF, man. I would buy an ETF. One of those, not financial advice, but I would buy an ETF. One of like the VOO that they consistently make like 8 to 10% a year. You know, but you got to put a lot of money into those things to actually see something serious. It's up to you. That's not financial advice, though. All right, let's see. It's doing its pullback, so it's gonna tap orb. It did tap the swing high here, man. So it did tap the swing high. Yeah, it tapped the swing high on Asia. It's coming down. Tapped the top of orb here. It's doing its retest. It might want to tap VWAP. Of course, it stopped you in profit because you know you're trading the right way, bro. You're trading the right way. Let's go. Do I think it's gonna shoot up again? Right now, it looks like it did its move. It hit the swing high, so I might do a pullback and then go up. But you gotta wait to see when this candle flips green again, because even if it, yeah, it would have to get up here to go long again, guys. So let it do its pullback. Let it retest VWAP. Let it retest VWAP. You want to see a green candle close up here to go long again. But it has done a big move already, guys. So that's it. You gotta wait until this flips. And it just opened like 10 minutes ago. So it has to do its retracement. I'm telling you, I got into that, bro. If I didn't get stopped out right here on this long, look at how many points I would have got. But I'm always protecting my profits, so I kind of play myself a little bit sometimes. How many points is that? Where I took profit from originally? 110 points. Yo! 110 points. Damn. That's crazy. These people are happy to get 10, 15 points. Are you kidding? Oh, man. But I did go through a major drawdown here. Don't get me wrong. How much drawdown did I go through? Went up to here. 55 points of drawdown. So if I had my regular 50-point stop loss, I would have got cooked. But I knew not to do that because the ATR was very high already. You got to give it wiggle room to play out, or else you're going to get cooked. I usually put my stop loss where I know the trade is invalidated. You know, once it hits that stop, I'll be like, I don't want to be in that trade anymore. So if you notice, I put my stop under here the first time, and then on the second trade, I put my stop under this swing low. So if it comes down and hits that swing low, that means it's just going to start going down. And I have all this protection. I have all this protection from the EMAs. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We keep the win streak alive. We keeping the win streak alive. How did it go today? We ended at 638. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Trading the NASDAQ, Trading with David 305. I will see you guys at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Trade safe if you stay on the charts. If you're in profit, just get up, close your computer, and go enjoy the rest of your day, man. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Later, guys.